This dog has been staring at the door for 47 hours and it is not waiting for you. The door shivers. Walls bleed color. Clock spins backward. Dog blinks but its eyes are code. On the table, food floats mid-air. AI whispers, they forgot how to chew. Cut to empty hallway. Footsteps echo but no one is there. Cat stares through wall. Paw stretches into nothing. Dog barks in reverse. Music slows. Pixelated distortion. TV flickers with abandoned movie scenes. Someone laughs but no one exists. Dog sits. Door dissolves. Shadows multiply.